Hello everyone, welcome to IT Horizon. In today's video, we'll be discussing about buy X and get Y in Odoo 19 sales. Buy X and get Y is a type of promotion in Odoo sales and POS where a customer receives a free product or discounted product when they purchase a specific quantity of another product. The X means the product and the quantity the customer must buy, and Y is the product and quantity the customer gets for free or discount. So, whenever a customer buys two t shirts, they will be getting one cap free. That's a simple example. Now, let's see how can we set up the buy X and get Y in Odoo 19. Move onto the sales module and friendly head into the configuration settings and enable the loyalty gift cards and e-wallet that will manage the promotions, coupons, loyalty cards, gift cards, and e-wallet. Now move on to the product and choose discounts and loyalty. Here we have created like buy two, get one for free. Or you can set a conditional rule over here. So whenever the customer purchases minimum two quantity, they will be granting one credit per order, and if they wish to exchange that credit to the shop, they'll be getting a free product, and that's completely for free. Once everything is done, you can save the changes that you have made and move on to the orders. Under the quotation, you can click on new button to create a new quotation. Let's set the customer over here. Once the customer is being selected, you can choose the product. The product is blue denim jeans. So when I just choose the product over here as blue denim jeans and try to set the reward here, you can see that nothing will be added, like the e-wallet of the customer is added. But when I change the quantity as to, here you can see that the condition is applied and the amount has been changed. And again, upon clicking on reward here, you can see that the e-wallet is applied and the amount will be taken e-wallet as the customer has an e-wallet amount, and the customer is right now receiving a free product. So from this we can say that whenever the customer buy the X product, he'll be getting Y as free. So this will promote the customers to buy more items and boost the productivity of a business, which increases the sales and encourage bulk buying. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.